Allowing others to comment on your Google Files is a great way to receive feedback and collaborate on projects together. First, you need to make sure your file is set up with the correct share settings. So let's click on Share. You can type in a name or a group here, but let's go ahead and use this option down here to change to anyone with the link, and let's give them commenter rights, and then click Done. So I'm going to copy this URL, and we're going to actually open it in an incognito window because I want to look at it now as an anonymous viewer. So I'm in here and I'm going to make comments. I can choose to highlight one word, an entire sentence, a paragraph, and you'll notice the little comment feature right here. I'm going to click on Add Comment, and then I can type my comment in right here. Click on the word comment, and now anyone who can view this file can read that comment. You also have the option to right-click and choose Comment, and notice that you have this option to comment or add others with the @ symbol. So let's say that I specifically want to make sure a certain person sees this comment. So I would type in their email address, and then I can type the comment here, and they will receive an email letting them know I made a comment on this document. If we're working on a collaborative project together, perhaps I want to assign this specific comment to a person so they know not only do I want you to see it, but it's your responsibility to do whatever the comment says. Click Assign, and then that will send off an email to them. So let's see what this looks like for me as the owner of the document now. You'll see right here that we see off to the right-hand side the comments that were made. And if you have a lot of comments on a file, it might start to get confusing after which comment goes with which one of the highlighted areas over here. So if you click on the comment itself, notice how this changed to a dark yellow. When I come to this one here, it changed this one to a dark yellow. So that kind of lets you know what the comments are. Once you've read a comment and you're like, okay, I'm done with it, you would just click this little green check mark to actually get rid of that off of your document. On a Google slide, commenting is a little bit different. On this one here, you'll notice I have different text boxes. So you have the option to right-click on the slide itself, like in an empty area, choose Comment, and that will add the comment to the entire slide. If you want to comment just on a specific box, you would highlight that box, choose that box, then right-click where you see these 4 arrows, choose Comment, and that's on the text box itself. If you wanted to do words within it, you would highlight those words, right-click Comment, and that is just for the words itself. So notice that I can come over here and I can make a different comment about these words here as well. That's how it's a little bit different on a Google slide. And at any time to see all the comments that were made, you can click on the little comment box right here, and that would open up all the different comments. If you've accepted one of these, but you're like, oh, I want to go back and look at it again, you would see them all over here to the right-hand side when you click on this little comment box.